Hello children. Today we will start a new story. The story name is The Shepherd Boy and the Wolf. Before starting the story, please subscribe to my channel. So let's start the story. The Shepherd Boy and the Wolf. A shepherd boy loved joking with his villagers by shouting, "Wolf! Wolf! Help!" Hearing his cries, the villagers thought he was in trouble. But on reaching, they saw there was no wolf. The villagers got angry and left. The next day, the shepherd did the same. The villagers shouted back at him and left in anger. One day, when the shepherd was lying under the tree, his sheep grazed the grass. A wolf came and attacked his sheep. Seeing this, the shepherd was now scared and shouted in fear, "Wolf! Wolf! Help! Help!" The villagers said among themselves, "Oh, that shepherd! We won't fall for his trick again." So no one went to help the shepherd, and the wolf attacked the shepherd. The moral of the story is we must not lie, as one day it can make us fall in trouble. So please subscribe to my channel and thank you for listening the story. Thank you.